everyone, I'm Miss Byrd and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi kids. Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah, it's good. You can join us from A to Z or you can just hop right in. It's perfect for you kindergarten and first graders. It's good. Today, have out your worksheets for the letter U. You can get your worksheets at our website, homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Byrd with a Y. Yeah. And be sure and give us a thumbs up. Good. And hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And be sure to ring the bell. And let's go. And we always like to start with a song. Our favorite is Ziminy. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay. Plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. I just so enjoy having a little song to cheer us up and to start. It's good. And let's go ahead and break out the worksheet that we're talking about for the letter U. Got it. He's just like you kids. He's learning the letters, but he's also my helper, and he's a wonderful helper. That's it, Freddie. You got it. Thank you. Very nice. First thing we always do, we like to make the letter lines. We start here with our green grass bottom line. Kids, could you point to it along with Freddie? I got it. That's it. And we're going to do it with our fingers to start with. Start here, point with Freddie at the green arrow. We're going to go all the way across the green grass bottom line. There you go. Lift. And Freddie, what's the next one? There you go. The red arrow, red dot middle line. Yeah. And kids, start here where you're pointing with Freddie. And go ahead and make a red dotty middle line all the way across. That's your second letter line. Okay. And, oh yeah, he's on top of it. Point with Freddie to the blue sky top line, and with your finger, trace it all the way across. Lift. That's it. That's good. And now, he wants to do it with a crayon now. Yeah. Okay, next. It's his favorite color. 1, 2, 3, hold it up, green. That's good. You know, frogs, green. He loves his favorite color. Yeah, it's good. And he's pointing to the the green. Yeah, green arrow. I got it, Freddie. Start here with your green crayon and trace that green grass bottom line all the way across to the other green arrow. Lift. And next would be, oh yeah, but he's pointing to it, red crayon. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. Good. And start right here where you and Freddie are pointing to and do the red dot middle line all the way across. It takes a little longer. It's a little harder. To the red arrow. That's it. Good. Next, I want you to do, he's pointing to it on the count of 3. Hold up a blue. 1, 2, 3, blue crayon up. Good. And start here at the blue arrow and go all the way across. Trace that blue. I bet you're doing better than me. That's good. Oh, thank you, Freddie. Yeah, it's nice. Thank you. And we did it. We made the letter lines. The next thing we're going to do is make the letter house. Oh, yes. Let's start with our finger. And Freddie, can you find the little miniature house? Oh, kids can't see it, though. Okay. You were pointing to this little teeny tiny itty bitty baby house. That's where you're going to start to make your letter house. Yeah. So you're just going to start with your finger. And start here and go straight. Straight. It's hard for me to do it. Straight up. Straight up to this. This is just the top. And now you're going to make the beginning of the roof past the chimney to the tippy top of the roof. Other side of the roof. Now down the side of the building. Stop at the green grass bottom line because now you just made the house, but we're going to make a basement. Yeah, underneath the house, or some houses, there are basements. So underneath the green grass line, we're going to go into the basement, straight down. This is the bottom of the basement, the side of the basement, and you stop at the little itty teeny baby house right there. Now we did it with our finger. Let's do it with a brown crayon. On the count of 3, hold up a brown crayon. 1, 2, 3, brown crayon up. Very nice. Start at the little itty baby house right here. And I gotta watch it while I do it because I can't do it otherwise. Go straight up the wall of the house, stop, and draw the side of the roof up here, stop, and oops, goes down, good. And now straight down the wall, good. And now we just finished the house. Now let's draw the basement, which is also part of the house, but it's underground. Go straight down, good, and make the bottom of the basement. Hang on, Freddie. Okay. Bottom of the basement, and then the other side of the wall of the basement. There you did. Kids, you just made a letter house. Freddie, oh, he's taking it. He wants to show you a colored in letter house. Yeah, got it. Oh, here it is. Look at, there's the house, the basement, but there's stuff inside this house. So this is the downstairs. Oh, he's already pointing to it. Yeah. And if you take the stairs, and this is upstairs where the bedrooms are. If I go back down the stairs, I'm downstairs. But if I take another set of stairs, I'm now in the basement. Yeah. That's the basement. And so back again. Freddie, can you point to where the downstairs is? Yeah. Good. Point to upstairs. Good. And kids and Freddie, point to the basement. One more time. Downstairs. Got it. Good. Upstairs. Good. And basement. You got it. He's like, okay, Freddie. And he's going to grab, I know. He's such a hard-working frog. He's learning these just like you kids. Yeah. So, Freddie, can you and the kids find X marks the spot for this uppercase big letter U? Got it. Kids, point with Freddie. That's where you start. We always like to start with a beautiful yellow sunshine crayon. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. Start at your X marks the spot. Yeah. And this is going to be a hard one, so let's do it together. Straight down, but when you're almost to the green grass bottom line, you start making a big curve. And then you go straight up again, and then you trace it back down again, and straight to the green grass bottom line. So you should have a straight line here that goes straight, but also there's a curve and straight. I know, it's a hard one, huh? Oh, yeah. So next one, I want to do it with my beautiful orange crayon. On the count of 3, orange up. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Good. Start at X marks the spot. You know where it's at. There it is. And go trace that U. There's a curve. And then go almost straight up. Oops. I messed up. To the blue sky top line. And then go straight down all the way to the green grass line. Lift. Kids, you did it. You made an uppercase big letter U. Next color. Green. Good. It's favorite color. 1, 2, 3, green crayon up. Good. Start at your X marks the spot. Hang on, Freddie. That's good. X marks the spot right here. Straight down, and then you make a curve, and then you make it straight up again, and then you trace it back. Straight down. Wow, that one is hard for everybody. It's a tough one. That's good. And this is your uppercase big letter U. Freddie, is it upstairs? Yeah. Kids and Freddie, is it downstairs? Yeah. Okay, now this one is a lowercase little letter U. Okay. Freddie, can you find X marks the spot with the kids? Yeah. You got it. He did it. He found it. Ah, good. He's good at this. Yeah. Kids, go ahead. You found it with Freddie. And go ahead and start with your yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. Good. And at X marks the spot right there. And it's just like the uppercase big letter, but just smaller. Go straight down, start making the curve, straight up to the red dot line, and all the way straight back down to the green line. Nice, everybody. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. Okay, next, start with your orange crayon. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Good. And start at the, right, hang on. Okay. Right here at X marks the spot. Yeah. And go straight down and start to make your curve, straight up again, and trace that straight back down. Wow, it's looking so good. Next, on the count of 3. Oh, good, good, good. Hold up your green. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, green crayon up. Good. Start at X marks the spot. Straight down, make your curve, back up to the red dot line, and straight down again. Kids, you just made it. A lowercase little letter U. It's good. Everybody, let's see your beautiful U's. On 1, 2, 3, hold up the letter U. That's good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Hi, kids. Thank you, Freddie. Yeah, they do such good work. The name of this letter, the name is U, but the sound of the letter is The name of the letter is U. The sound of the letter is You drop your chin and you drop it in your throat too. Can you do it with Freddie? Okay, kids and Freddie, I'll say it once and then you do it. Okay. You, you, You did a great job. Okay, you, you, That's it. You, you, That's it. One more time. You, you, That's it, Freddie. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. That's it. Very nice. And the next thing I want to do is we did a great job with the U's. Is the uppercase big letter U upstairs? Yeah. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is the lowercase little letter U upstairs? Good. Is it downstairs? Is it in the basement? No. Good job. Oh, I love this. And also, let's go up to the, he's starting. There's an umbrella. Umbrella starts with the sound of U, U, umbrella. There you go. And that's the up sign, U, up. Good. That's somebody who's unhappy. Unhappy. Starts with the letter and the sound of U, unhappy. He doesn't like being unhappy. Let's go back to up. U, up. Good. U, umbrella. That's good. He wants to get onto the letters. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Now we're going to do the alphabet up to the letter U. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, ready? A, A, B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 E, E, Oh, you did great. What is this? F, 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 F. G, 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 G. H, 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 H. I, I. Where am I? J, 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 J. K, 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 K. L, O, L, That was good. L, we're working on that one. M, M, Good. N, N, O, Make a circle with your mouth when you say O, That's it. You got it. P, 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 P. Kid, you're doing great. Q, 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 Q. There, you did it. R, 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 R. S, 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 S. T, 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 U, U, That's it. You did it, Freddie. Thank you. Oh, kids, you were doing so good. And you did a great job with everything in the letter lines and the letter house. And we're having a good time. But it's time to go. I'm so sad. But it's so nice seeing you for sure. We'll see you next time. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Simony